Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I decided to bust out part of my Halloween costume from a couple years ago because today we are playing with the latest Apocalyptic Beauty subscription bag, and this theme is Voodoo Queen, so it works out. I'm just gonna pretend I'm a voodoo doll today, apparently. In case you are new here and haven't watched one of these videos from me before, this subscription is $12.50 a month. You get, it's usually like 5 products, and it's all from their own brand. They are their own brand, and they have a subscription service. They are indie, they are cruelty-free. I think most, if not all of their stuff is vegan. It's such a fun brand. I've been getting their subscription for probably at least 7 or 8 months now, and I just love it. I recently became an affiliate with them a couple months ago, so you can use my code BEAUTBEAN to save money on their site. It doesn't work for the subscription box, but it does work for everything else on their site. I love their loose shadows. I love their loose glitters, and their liquid lipsticks are fantastic. So that's all I really have to say about that. Let's just get into the bag itself now. This is what the bag this month looks like. It is so stinking cute. I love this kind of twiny looking bag. It's adorable. I love how much thought gets put into these themes. This month it looks like we got 3 shadows, 1 lipstick, and a glitter, which is my favorite combination in these bags. The lipstick is called Mojo. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand really quick. Oh, it's so pretty. It's like a pretty rusty, burnt red kind of color, and it looks like it has little micro glitters in it, which is so cute. I can't wait to put that on my mouth. The glitter is called Voodoo Idol, and oh my gosh, it's so cute. There's like little bones, little black and silver bones with little holographic-y looking pieces. Oh, it's so cute. And then we have 3 loose shadows. I've talked about it before, but they're metallic. Loose shadows I like to use with a glitter glue because they really pack that punch. Their mattes seem to be fine regardless, and I don't usually get a bunch of mattes from them, but this time we have 2 mattes in a metallic, so that is very unique for the bag. This first one is called Poppet, and it's described as a matte mustard yellow, and that is so up my alley. I love a good yellow eyeshadow. Whew. Be still my heart, I love it. This is literally one of my favorite colors in the entire world. Oh, it's so pretty. This next one is Laveau. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. L-A-V-E-A-U. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly or not, but this is described as a versatile matte white, so we shall see. It's actually decently pigmented. I didn't expect it to be that nice. I'm actually gonna try layering it just to see if it gets even more bright. That's actually a really nice, just bone colored white. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. It's called Juju, and it's described as a black with golden and fiery sparkle. And wow. That's so pretty. I feel like you can't see the sparkle as insane on the viewfinder as I can in real life, but I think with the glitter glue layered underneath it, this is gonna pop like crazy. I'm really excited for this actually. I know these are very basic shades, but it really does capture kind of the voodoo theme. Like, it's the colors that are in my headband right now. I'm really excited to play with these. It's gonna be more of a, just probably kind of smoky basic look with bone glitter, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to zoom you in, prime my eyes with my Smashbox lid primer, and we'll get started. We're gonna turn ourselves into some voodoo queens. I'm ready. I forgot to mention it before, but they also always send candy. They sent a little Sour Patch Kid. It always kind of has to do with the theme, which is really cute. I'm gonna eat this when we're done. I love me some sour candy. So I have my eyes primed. I'm just gonna go straight in with that mustard shade, and I'm just gonna start working that through my crease. I have no words. This is so pretty. And I didn't have that much on my brush. This is so pigmented, wow. Like, at this point, I literally dipped in that one time. It's gonna be such a pretty base color for this look. I love this color so much. I'm so happy right now. Like, if I ever had to be at a point in my life where I couldn't really do fun eye colors anymore, like play with rainbow makeup all over my eyes, I would probably just wear a shade like this every day. It's so pretty. This with a grungy brown lip and some fake freckles and some big lashes. So now we're gonna go in with that sparkly Juju shade, and I'm just taking this small shadow brush. It's kind of dense, but also kind of fluffy. And I'm gonna start by taking my NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to pack this all across my lid. Get it nice and sticky. I'm dipping directly into that sparkly shadow, and I'm just gonna start tapping it over my lid. That's so magical. I'm just going to take this kind of right up to my crease. I'm not going to carry it too far because I am going to go and try to blend this edge out so it's not just a straight line. Then I'm just going to go back in with that first brush with no additional product, and I'm just going to work on going back and forth with light pressure. I'm not going in too hard, just to start blending out this edge so it's nice and soft. My bangs are at such a annoying length right now. I have a tiny bit of fallout, but really not too bad considering it was a sparkly black shadow. It's not horrible. I just have a little bit of residue on that shadow brush. I'm just going to kind of smudge and tuck it just kind of in the outer corner of my lower lash line to connect it with this outer edge so it can just flow together. Give it a nice kind of cat-eye elongated shape. Oh, this is so grungy and pretty and so simple. I'm in love. And the only other shadow to use is that white. So I'm just gonna take the other side of this dual-ended Anastasia brush that I've been using for this look. I'm just dapping into that white and I'm gonna use that as my highlight. That's insanely pigmented, so be careful. I love this. I know it's very simple, but I love it. It's so grungy and dramatic, but it's not too dramatic in my opinion, but maybe that's just me. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to throw on some big lashes. I'm going to put on this Mojo liquid lipstick and we'll see what the final look looks like and finish this video up. I don't know who I am, but I totally forgot we have the glitter to play with too. I did my lipstick and I was like, wait a minute. We're missing something. So yeah, we're gonna play with this glitter. I'm gonna try to show you what it looks like without spilling it everywhere, but it's just got these cute little iridescent-y bones and it's adorable. And I wanna play with it. I just kind of wiped off the side of the brush that had the white shadow on it, and I'm gonna take some of my NYX glitter primer. I don't know what I wanna do with this glitter because I really like this look as is a lot. Let's see. I think I wanna pop it just kind of like in this lower inner corner. Just kind of periodically going in and grabbing some of these teeny pieces. So we have a little bone, a little mini skull and crossbone. I want one of these black dots. I think it's cute. It adds just a little something something. I loved the look before it, but I mean, I think it's cute, and especially once my giant lashes are on, it's gonna balance out really nicely. So now I'm gonna actually finish up my eyes and then we'll finish this video up. So this is the final look. What do you think? I like it. I think it's cute. I love this subscription bag because it just kind of fuels my love for Halloween year round because I always want it to be Halloween and I miss it really bad and it's only April, but it's gonna be here so soon and I'm so ready for it. Who else loves Halloween like as much as I do? Because I want to know, because that means we're friends. I'm really into this lip color. Like I said before, I really like their liquid lipstick formula. It's just really thin in the sense that you don't feel it super insanely on the lips, but it's opaque. Like, it gives you good coverage. I don't know, it's just a really good, comfortable formula, and I feel like more people should know about it. Just because I realize some people are probably gonna ask me, I got this choker and this headband at Spirit Halloween a few years ago. I don't know if you can still get it anymore, but that's where I got it whenever I was a voodoo doll for Halloween. This isn't my favorite bag I've ever gotten from Apocalyptic Beauty, but I still loved it. I still had fun. I'm obsessed with this loose mustard shadow. You better believe I'm gonna be using that again. The shade on my lids is so pretty, and I just like it all completed together. I think it's cute, and that's about that. What do you guys think? Do you like this look? Do you guys subscribe to this bag? Did you like the bag this month? I would love to chat with you about it. Next month, the theme is going to be Raven Spirit, so that'll be cool. I'm expecting purples and blacks, maybe like really dark navies, things like that. I'm ready for it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram and follow me there. It's BEAUTBEAN. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post at least 5 days a week, sometimes 6, sometimes 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.